So, I am 15 and I have earned more than $10 through editing. The proof would be on the screen. If you are an editor and want to earn like me and get clients, then you have clicked on the right video. In this video, I will show you how to find clients, how to make portfolio, and how to close deal with those clients. So let's start with our first topic. Many of the big YouTubers tell you to find clients on Fiverr, Upwork, or other platforms. These are good platforms, but only if you have really strong editing skills, because there you will mostly find foreign clients who expects high quality work. If you are a beginner, going there is often waste of time. You can use Discord server where you will find basic editing clients and you can start your journey. I have mentioned 5 Discord server in the description, so don't forget to join them. Another way is LinkedIn. Search looking for video editor and turn the search into post and filter by latest. If you see any post needing editing and you can do that, just comment your mail ID or phone number below the post. This is one of the fastest way to get client. If they need an editor, they will definitely reach out to you. Now, after getting a client, what will you show them? You don't know yet? So let's move to the next topic. If you want to interact with them confidently, you must have a polished portfolio. In that, explain about yourself, like your editing experience, what kind of edit you can do smoothly, etc. You also need to show your work. But if you are a beginner and don't have any past client, don't worry. I have 50 viral reels you can edit and add to your portfolio. Just go to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description and download those reels for editing. Don't forget to check it out. Now, even if you have a strong portfolio, you might lose clients because of this one mistake. Let's move to the next topic. To actually get a client, you have to use some psychological tricks. Before telling them your price, first ask what kind of edit they want. How many edits per month? Is it project based or monthly work? Possible, ask them to call you and clarify everything on the call. It will feel more professional. If you follow this strategy perfectly, then you will get 1 client out of 10 confirmly. Yes, the ratio is low, but that's the truth. Now, I think you know how to message client. Let's move to the final topic. If you want to start editing from zero and want to become a pro, then subscribe to the channel to get valuable content for editing. Bye.